in the world of business. Airlines and hotels in the country are feeling the heat from the coronavirus outbreak. Players in the two sectors are reporting cancellations as they shift gears to explore other revenue streams. Although efforts to contain the virus are gathering momentum, the situation still remains dicey, especially for airlines. As KTN's Brenda Kerubo begins our broadcast.
Emirates operates 14 weekly flights from Dubai to Nairobi and 6 weekly cargo flights. The Gulf carrier suspended flights to Guangzhou and Shanghai on 5th February 2020, but still continues to operate to and from Beijing.
Coronavirus has had a slight impact on our business from here,
According to the International Air Transport Association, 5 weeks ago, China was the third largest international aviation market in the world. Traders who traditionally go to China to pick goods are now looking at alternative markets.
A lot of the informal traders that used to go to China are now looking for alternative destinations, to the likes of Istanbul, Dubai are key for us, Sri Lanka. We even seen some traffic to Bangladesh picking up because they still need to do trade and commerce.
Aside from the aviation sector, hotels are also grappling with cancellations. Movenpick Hotel and Residences General Manager Mehdi Morad says business is disastrous.
With what's happening with coronavirus, to start with, it's going global. So far we've been spared in Kenya, except the Chinese market, but it never represented really too much for Kenya in terms of tourism visitors. But now, as it's going really global, a lot of companies are starting with the travel bans, not to Kenya, but globally.
Even as they shift to enticing the local market, capacity will, however, not match international visitors.
In January, we faced few cancellations, I would say up to 20% of what was expected. But as of yesterday, as of this Monday, you even called it the Black Monday, because you remember back to the history, cancellations were coming. We lost 20-30 points of occupancy over one day.
According to airline traffic analytics, over 200,000 flights have now been cancelled or proactively removed from schedules to and from and within China due to coronavirus. Brenda Kerubo, KTN News.
We'll definitely be keeping you posted as and when we get more reports. Well, moving on.